Now, good morning, all of una wey dey lis ten to me today. My name na Williams Glory, and I bring una the Open Heavens on the Go for Pidgin. The Open Heavens Devotional na daily message book wey the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, Pastor E.A. Adeboye write. Today na Saturday, 3rd of February 2024. Happy weekend. Our topic for today na different kind pikin part 2. We go see our memory verse for 2 Samuel chapter 7 verse 14 wey talk say, I go be him papa and he go be my pikin. When he do bad thing, I go punish am as papa dey punish pikin. Our Bible reading na for Psalm 84 verse 10 to 12. Only one day for your house better pass 1,000 years for another place. E better make I be gate man for God house than to dey enjoy life for wicked people house. Baba God na our son and na him dey protect us. God dey give us grace and glory, and he go always dey good to those wey dey do good. My oga wey be God for heaven soldiers, may you see the blessing wey dey follow those wey trust you. Now the message. I been talk yesterday say pikin fit dey close to him papa so tey he go come turn him papa friend. Na true talk be that o. But as friend take dey, we get tight friends too. The day wey I know say e dey possible to be Baba God tight friend, person wey Baba God no go hide anything from. Na so I carry myself go close to am o, so that I go fit be him tight friend. Shey you too wan be Baba God tight friend? No be free o, e go cost una something o. Plenty times people dey talk how Christian people suppose dey behave, how they suppose to dey dress, and how they suppose to dey act. Some kind people go dey talk say God life no hard na, shebi na God wey love everybody. They go even come add join say for where God spirit dey, freedom dey there. I dey always talk say abeg make we no quarrel because of this matter o. Anyhow wey una wan live una life, abeg make una live am like that. It depend on how you take dey close to Baba God. For example, if everything wey you want for your life na to be office assistant, then you no suppose go university. All wey you need to sabi na to dey go message here and there, and you go achieve your dream. But if you know say you wan be professor, then you must go university o. You must burn candle for night well, then you go achieve your dream too. Me, I wan be Baba God professor o. I wan dey close to am, and I wan be him tight friend. I no wan be him servant. I no wan be just him pikin, and I no wan be just him friend. I wan be him tight friend, and by God grace na that one you sef go be too, even though say e go cost una something. To be Baba God tight friend go cost una time o. Those people there wey be Baba God tight friends now, dem dey spend more time with am pass the time wey dem dey spend with other people o. To be one of Baba God tight friend go also cost una belle o. Una must dey ready to fast as if say una no get business with anybody. If una know say una wan dey close to Baba God pass how other people go fit dey close to am, e go also cost una things wey dey this world o, because una must hate everything wey dey this world. Na go come make Baba God's kingdom be number 1 for una life. James chapter 4 verse 4 talk say, to be friend of this world na enemy una don turn from Baba God side o. Matthew chapter 6 verse 24 come talk say, nobody go fit serve two oga. Una must hate one come love the other one. Una must hate mammon if una wan dey close to Baba God. Una must hate the things of this world if una wan dey close to Baba God. Una dey ready to pay the price to be Baba God tight friend? Me, I don dey ready o. The action wey make una take today be say, make una search na heart well how una relationship dey with Baba God, and make una come make up una mind to pay the price wey una suppose pay to dey close to Baba God than before o. I thank una as una lis ten to the Open Heavens at the Go for Pidgin. My name na Williams Glory. Make una enjoy the rest of una day till we go meet again tomorrow. Una bye bye.